You've decided to cloth diaper, and now our sweet baby has to go to daycare. Nervous about telling them? I've got the solution. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know what? Momming is hard. Momming is hard because you are constantly making decisions for other people, constantly pouring out yourself for others, and anticipating everything. All of this causes stress. I remember feeling so much stress when it was time to send my son to school. Not only did I have to find a learning center for him from 90 miles up the road in Beaumont, I had the additional self-assigned worry that I decided to cloth diaper my child and I had to send him to a school, and I wondered if they would buy into my process. Today I'm going to share how I brought my son's school on board with cloth diapering and give you some tips and tricks for making it easy for caregivers. When you're taking your school tour, when the person is guiding you through the building, make sure you remember to ask them if they've ever cloth diapered a baby before. Engage their receptiveness to it. Whew, I remember falling in love with a place that I wanted my son to go and then holding my breath, like clenching my pearls, about if they would, waiting for them to answer about if they cloth diaper or if they were even open to it. It turned out to be no big deal. The school that we decided to go to had not cloth diapered in the past, but they didn't tell us no. I took that as my opportunity to make it as simple and as easy as possible for them. The first thing that you'll definitely have to do is make sure that you take the time to show the teachers and the teacher assistants how you put on a cloth diaper. Yes, it's as convenient as a disposable diaper, but there's still some nuances, some things that you kind of have to get right. Making sure that it's securely on the baby, making sure that no cloth is hanging out of the diaper, and the leg gussets are in the right place and secure so you don't have leaks throughout the day. These are things that you as a cloth diapering mom have perfected, but you have to share those things with others. You and I know how to avoid leaks. We know how to avoid blowouts, but your child's teacher may not have that experience. So make sure you give them a little grace and send lots of changes of clothes just in case baby does have an accident. It's funny when I think back about it because at the core, caregivers don't want to hurt your child. So while you might put on a diaper pretty securely and kind of tight and make sure that it's on well, they might think it's hurting the baby and don't want to hurt your baby or give them any bumps and bruises. So they probably will put it on too loosely. And then you'll have, leaks every now and then. My second tip is to make it easy. Make it as easy as possible. Really dummy proof. Send your easiest cloth diapers to use to school. If you have all-in-one diapers or pocket diapers, I recommend sending those to school. If you have anything that's in your stash that's a one-step diaper, that's a good idea to send to school. Sending your easy diaper will make the teachers complain less about what they have to do in order to cloth diaper your particular child. You have to remember, you're asking them to do something that's a little bit out of the norm, and it may take more time for them to diaper your child. So asking them to kind of fuss with closures and covers and all these additional things that we might really enjoy at home in our own personal stash may not be realistic for a teacher who has to change your child's diaper plus 12 other kids' diapers. So I would avoid folding diapers, covers, anything with a closure, anything that takes more than one step. You gotta kiss this thing. Mwah! Keep it simple, Sally. Third tip is to make sure you provide enough diapers to help your baby get through the day. Now, what you have to do is really think about the time span that your child spends at school. For example, my son and daughter spent from, let's say, 7:30 all the way to 5:30 at school. That's about 10 hours, y'all. That's a long time to be at school. And if you think about it, if you were at home and you were changing diapers, you'd be changing diapers about every 2 hours, unless it was a poop diaper, and more often. So you would need to send at least 5 diapers for the 10 hours to change them, but you should go above and beyond that and send at least double the amount of diapers that you have to school. What I used to do was pack a wet bag every night, put 10 clean diapers in it, and take that to school every day. So Monday through Friday, I just take 10 more diapers, and I bring the dirty ones home in exchange. Sometimes babies have accidents. Sometimes they have leaks. So you'll want to make sure that you have plenty of diapers so nobody is calling you saying, hey, Miss Frank, we are needing some more diapers, or putting a disposable diaper on your baby when you didn't ask them to. You don't want them to fill in the gap using a disposable diaper if you can avoid it. With sending the amount of diapers I did every day, at some point there will be some backup. I go to his cubby and, man, you got your own cloth diapering stash at school. And I just take the extras out. Or what I would do is like pick a Monday and just not send any diapers if I knew that they had 10 diapers there. I just bring the diapers home, wash them, and get ready and just start the cycle again. But they never lacked any diapers. Y'all listen, so sending your child to school is already a super stressful time. You want to make it as simple for the teachers, but also you want to ease your mind. That's not the thing you want to be worried about when you're sitting at your desk trying to work but watching your child on the camera. I know, I've been there. You want to make sure that you can send your baby in confidence, knowing that you've given them everything that they need to be successful. Just to recap, my 3 tips for sending your cloth diaper baby to school are: take time to show your caregivers how to properly use a cloth diaper and make sure you give them grace, and be open to showing them 2, 3, or 4 times how to use your cloth diapers. Second, make it easy for them to use your cloth diapers. And third, make sure you provide plenty of cloth diapers. Those are my tips for cloth diapering. Y'all can do it. Cloth diapering part is the easy part. Trust me on this. Sending your baby into someone else's care is a doozy in itself. Don't let cloth diapering add to your stress. As always, y'all, if y'all have some comments, some questions about how I did this, you want to know something more particular, make sure you drop me a line down in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And tell me what you'd like to see on this channel. Is there a topic you'd like me to talk more about? Is something you want me to expound upon? Let me know. I'm open to making a video that will serve you. As always, when we wrap up, make sure you click the subscribe button and the little bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video every Thursday. And head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye, y'all.